Hello and welcome to today's practice. Today's practice supports the lungs and the liver, two organs deeply connected to our emotions. Through gentle stretches and breath work, we will help the energy shift, creating more space and regulate our emotional well being. But before we begin, if you've been enjoying my YouTube videos, I would love to invite you to my membership space. Inside, you will find full-length videos, 30-day challenges, weekly group classes, and monthly calendars to help you stay consistent and support your Qigong journey week by week. Join today or find more information in the description below. Begin in a comfortable position. Take a moment to settle in, opening up through the spine, allowing your shoulders to soften, dropping the weight in the lower body, relaxing your lower back. Let's bring our attention to the hands. By activating the energy in our palms and our hands, we already helping to regulate the energy in our chest area. So if you feel low or heavy in your emotional heart center, make sure that your hands are warm, soft, and supple. To help us activate the lung meridian and the lung energy, we're massaging the base of the thumb. If you're practicing in the morning, keep it vigorous, keep it really dynamic to get that energy activated. Then place both hands on top of your chest, connecting the center of your palm to the center of your chest. Begin to circle around to generate warmth and awareness in your chest area. Then change direction. Do that until you really feel nice, warm sensations gathering in your chest area. And take a moment to pause and allow the energy to circulate more freely. Then make your hands into a loose fist. Begin knocking all over the chest area. Everywhere you feel the rib cage, upper chest, down to the sternum, down to the lower ribs. This gentle tapping helps to stimulate the energy meridians crossing over the torso, good for the lungs and respiratory system, as well as the liver, the kidneys, and the stomach. Tapping on the lower ribs connects us to the liver energy. So if you've been feeling frustrated or holding on to some anger, this is a nice way to release those stuck emotions. Then go ahead and knock under the collarbone, close to the shoulder joint. Then go ahead and knock under your armpit to open up the heart meridian. Then go ahead and knock at the back of the shoulder. Make your way down to the elbow area. Gently activating all the muscles and connective tissues. Tap around the wrist to open up the lungs and the heart. And finishing up right under the armpit. Take a moment to feel that side of the body. Then repeat the same on the other side. Use the physical sensations to reconnect to your body. Draw in your mind to the present moment showing care and support for the body. Tap around the wrist and finishing up right under the armpit. Well done. Take a moment to notice how you feel. The back of the ribcage is just as important as the front, especially around the thoracic spine 4, 5, and 6. We have pressure points related to the heart and the lungs. So if you can reach that high right between your shoulder blades, tapping on the lower ribs from the back as well until you reach your kidney area. Next, we're gonna tap around the hip joints. And I like this exercise because it helps to release all the tightness, stiffness, and tension from the big muscles in our legs. Targeting the hip area helps to release tension and regulate the liver energy. When the liver energy is stuck, we can feel tense or frustrated. Gently knock in at the front of the hips. Very, very good. Feel that subtle activation and then bringing it all together through full body shaking. To help us release any trapped energy from our lungs, we're going to take a series of deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale fully out the mouth. Repeat that a few times. Let the sound of your breath to carry away all the heaviness and tightness from your chest. Gentle rotation, keeping it light and playful. Come up on your toes. Relax. Slow it down and rest. Notice what's happening. Stay in your body. Stay with your breath. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in as you circle your arms, separating clouds above. If those clouds seem heavy, separate away, allowing the sun to come out. Inhale, visualizing beautiful sky. The sun is shining, lifting your energy. On the exhale, releasing everything heavy. One more time. Release. Stay soft and present. The next movement, punch in with angry eyes from the 8 pieces of brocades. Inhale deeply. Then on your exhale, release all the frustration and tension from your body. On the inhale, draw in pure, clear energy. As you exhale, widen your eyes to expel impure chi. On your inhale, soften your gaze, draw in fresh chi into the body. In traditional Chinese medicine, the eyes are the windows of the liver's energy. By exercising our eyes, concentrating on releasing frustration, then drawing the fresh energy, we help to regulate and balance our emotional well-being. One more time on each side. Release gently. Allow the hands to relax. Then go ahead and draw a big breath in. Gather in the fresh, calming energy around you. And centering into the body. Inhale. And exhale. Feel the energy accumulating and gathering as if a wave coming down, softening your body, relaxing your muscles. One more time. To close the practice, draw your hands onto the abdomen, focus your mind, center your heart, and relax your body. Thank you very much. I hope this practice helped to lift your energy. I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.